This is a very basic friction experiment, and it involves a small wooden block with a rubber coated side and an ordinary wooden side, and that's attached with a piece of string to a container. This one's a plastic milk bottle, obviously, and the container can be hung over the end of a bench, and then by adding weights into the container, so we could put these little beads in, or conventional masses, or marbles, then what you can do is pull on the string and then eventually cause the block to slide along. When you give it a try without any masses at all in it, then you can even feel it on the string that, yeah, there's a bit of grip there. I've got to put some tension in before it'll move. Whereas on this side, it's much slippier, so it's easier to pull. So what we should be able to do is quantify that. So we'll simply take one mass at a time, drop it into the container, and then look at the point at which the block starts to slide. We don't want to measure how far it slides, it's just whether it slides or not. All sorts of extra things we can bring into the activity, which simply allow us to improve this as an investigation. So at the moment what we've got 0 masses inside, and let's just add maybe 5 at a time. So there's our first 5. Gently let go. What we could do, look, we could put one of the masses there, and that acts as a marker. If you had some paper, you could simply put a paper line, a line on the paper, and then that would indicate whether or not it's moved. So just 5 at a time again then. So if I take the tension off the string, that lets you drop the 5 in and then just gently let go. And then another 5. So that's 15 so far. That's 20 so far. $25. We're just on the verge of creeping along there, I think. And that's 30. Let's let the tension get into the string. And there it goes. So 30 was obviously too many, but it's a measure of how much pulling force it takes to overcome the friction between the rubber side and the wooden surface of the table.